Hi, my name is Ryan and you are watching my YouTube series on functional programming. In this video, I'm going to talk about containers. The concept of containers comes across very frequently in functional programming. It's actually one of the basic things that you use every now and then. If you're already aware of what a container is, this is a very basic video and you might want to skip it. But if not, keep watching. So what is a container? A container is nothing but a place in which you store data. And a container provides functions which lets you perform operations on the data that is stored inside of it. So that's what a basic definition of a container would be. I'm going to create a container using classes. So I'm going to say class container, and I'm going to use constructor, which takes an argument, the data, and it stores this argument privately and this in a variable called data. I'm going to use the same variable name just for the sake of convenience. And we can simply use it as const result is equal to new container, and let me store the value 10 inside of it. And if I console.log the result, I can simply print the value that's in the container. If you notice, we're using the new operator over here, which is not very convenient. So I'm going to use a static function called off, which takes the same argument as the constructor, but it returns a new instance of a container. So we're going to use this utility to define new instances of a container. So now we get rid of the new operator, and we can simply say container of 10, a container of whatever value you want. And this is how you define a container. This container does not do much at this point. All it does is store your data, but we are going to define certain functions, especially the most important function, the map function, which lets you add behavior to containers. So without further ado, let's move on to the next video.